What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my weather YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm home and there's a giant storm right now rolling in. 1 minute it was light in my room, now it's like pitch black in the house. These clouds are moving kind of weird. You can see there's a whole side like over here where there's like partially like clear. Not like sunset clear, but then you've got these like dark clouds that are like forming, I guess you could say. The wind is bad. Like I went to go unlock my door like blew open. But you can see we got some dark clouds like over here. And it was spinning like little like raindrops like not that long ago, like before I started this video. Let's wash my shoe. There's a better view of it right here. Alright, it's starting to spit like a little, but not that much. This is insane. Wind's picking up. It's not that bad right now. Just spinning like a little bit. Now it's starting to spin a lot. Alright. Right now we're in a severe thunderstorm warning. As you can see, the storm's gotten a little bit more darker in some like little areas. But sorry guys, I'm like running out of things to say. It's been a while since I made a video. So you can imagine right now like what I'm going through. It's been quite some time. I've been pretty busy. I made a weather Instagram account. If you have Instagram, go follow weather3680. Because that's me. This is nasty. Dude, look at the tree. It's like tilting. Alright, I'm gonna end it here, guys.